Fire, fire, it be burning through time, turning water to wine, human transformed to swine, and not judged on need money, fasting through greed, slow but running its speed, always follow the lead, but never the leader, he take idea from you, thinks it's his too, pursues where he's righteous and true now.
It ain't no matter of when, where, how, but who.
That's right. Say, yeah. Tell me, what do you see? Won't let Babylon get the best of me. Be who you're born to be. Won't let Babylon get the best of me. Won't let Babylon. No. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, it only takes just one from fire with silver tongue, and single-handedly handling numbers grow the strong. Well, can you visualize the victory in your mind? So much uncertain that certainly causing your demise. Whenever the leader, she takes idea from you, think it's her to pursue where she's righteous and true now.
No matter what, how,
that's right. Hey, yeah.
it ain't no matter of when, how,
but tell me, what do you see? Won't let Babylon get the best of me. Stop. Be who you want to be. Won't let Babylon, can't have Babylon. Won't let Babylon go. Won't let Babylon. No, no, no. All right, break it down one time, say Waiata paita piti, whakamaua kia tina Yaring marau pato mahi, kaya koe te tikanga Tukua ainga, here tuki no whakawhiu Tuturu ki te tika, kia turangatira Waiata paita piti,
whakamaua kia tina Yaring marau pato mahi, kaya koe te tikanga
Tukua ainga, here tuki no whakawhiu Tuturu ki te tika, kia turangatira Yes, ladies and gentlemen, get the BBs a round of applause! Yeah. One more time for you, guys.